Welcome to our channel. Hi, in this video, we are going to talk about the things you should pack before going to any long trip. Before we start the video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming updates. Let's start the video. Number 1. Passport. A passport is one of the most important things to pack when preparing for a long trip. This document allows you to travel internationally and proves your identity and nationality. Without a passport, you may not be able to enter certain countries or return home. In addition, a passport can come in handy if you lose your other forms of identification while abroad. Therefore, it is essential to pack a passport when planning any kind of international travel. Number 2. Money. Most people would agree that money is one of the most important things to bring on a long trip. After all, without money you wouldn't be able to pay for food, lodging, or transportation. But there are also a few other reasons why money is so essential when traveling. First of all, money can be used as a bargaining tool. If you're trying to negotiate a better price for something, having cash on hand can give you an advantage. Secondly, in many parts of the world, cash is still the preferred method of payment. Even if credit cards are accepted, there may be a service fee associated with their use. Finally, it's always a good idea to have some extra money in case of emergencies, whether you need to pay for unexpected expenses or simply want to have a cushion in case of delays or cancellations. Having extra cash can give you peace of mind while you're traveling. So next time you're packing for a trip, don't forget to include money on your list of essentials. Number 3. Clothes. Clothes are one of the most essential things to pack when going on a trip, no matter how long or short. Not only do they keep you comfortable and protect you from the elements, but they also allow you to express your personal style. When packing clothes for a trip, it is important to consider the location and the activities that you will be doing. For example, if you are going to a tropical climate, you will need light, airy clothing that can help keep you cool. Alternatively, if you are planning on spending time in the mountains, you will need warmer, more durable clothing. No matter where you are going, it is always a good idea to pack a few versatile items that can be mixed and matched to create different looks. With careful planning, packing the perfect wardrobe for your trip can be easy and stress-free. Number 4. Toiletries. Any good packing list for a long trip will include toiletries. After all, nobody wants to run out of toothpaste or shampoo in the middle of their vacation. But beyond the basics, there are a few other toiletry items that can be essential for a comfortable trip. For example, bringing along a small first aid kit can be a lifesaver if you get a cut or scrape. And if you're traveling to a place with mosquitoes, packing bug spray can save you from a lot of itchiness. In general, it's always better to be prepared with too many toiletries than too few. So when packing for your next trip, make sure to pack everything you might need to stay clean and comfortable. Number 5. Map. A map is an essential tool for any traveler, whether you're embarking on a short, day hike or a cross-country road trip. A map can help you to navigate unfamiliar terrain, plan your route, and find attractions and businesses along the way. When packing for a trip, be sure to include a map of the area you'll be visiting. You can find maps at most bookstores and gas stations, or you can print them out in advance from online resources such as Google Maps. Having a map on hand will give you the peace of mind of knowing that you can always find your way, no matter where your travels take you. Number 6. First aid kit. A first aid kit is always a good idea to pack, regardless of the length of your trip. This could come in handy if you suffer from a minor injury or fall ill while on your travels. Be sure to pack any prescription medications that you may need as well. As over-the-counter medicines for common ailments, it is also a good idea to include bandages, gauze, and antiseptic wipes in your kit. Number 7. Camera. A camera is a necessity for any long trip. It allows you to capture memories of the places you visit and the people you meet. Without a camera, you would be limited to memories that fade over time. A camera gives you the ability to share your experiences with others and relive them again and again. In addition, a camera can help you document your trip for future reference. If you are planning to take lots of pictures, be